Welcome back to another video, guys, with shredded content brought to you by Flash Printing Depot. And in today's video, we are going to attempt to install this stuff right here. What you're looking at is the backing, but let me show you the front. So as you guys can see, this is the front. It's this white material, and it's kind of porous. You can actually print on this material. You can print any graphic that you want on this material. But because we got a bunch of it from Gary, shout out to Gary, and sorry, I'm a little winded. I was out there trying to measure and everything and outside, but this right here is going to protect us from that sun. So that sun every day, which looks beautiful, let me take a picture. That sun every day sets right here and beams into the store and makes the store extremely hot. So if you want to make the sun rays go away or reflect sunlight, white is the best color to do that. So we are going to do that. And I'm going to make this window white, this window white, this window white, this window white, and that one white. We don't know what we're gonna do for that window and the door yet, but once it's white, one, it will reflect a lot of the sunlight, and two, you will be able to see our storefront from very far away. So from the road, you'll be able to see our storefront, and then we will put everybody's names, all the companies and the brands that we work with, all right there on the white background, and it'll be very visible, nice. You'll be able to see it. Oh, what's that over there? You'll be able to see it from very far away versus just a traditional blacked out window. This right here, I think we're gonna put Flash Printing Depot because our logo kind of fits perfect right there. And then we'll put our store hours or something like that on the door. Now, what's cool about this stuff is if I apply it to the outside, the sticky side is black. So the outside of it will be white, the sticky side is black. But if I apply it to the inside, so say I wanted to apply it right here, then from the outside you would see black, from the inside you would see white, but it would kind of black out, it would give that tinted look to this glass right here with like a little bit of see-through. And then we still could do the hours and everything on the outside. So I don't know if we're gonna do that. I don't know if we're gonna black this part out, stick it from the outside, it'll be white on the inside, but from the outside it'll be black, and then stick the logo, or just stick the logo right on that glass. We don't know yet. Chelly said, don't touch this yet, but I'm gonna do this window. I gotta find the trim piece for this, trim piece for that, and then these big windows, what I'm working on right here. So what's cool is once I cut this big piece out for this first window, I'm gonna measure everything first, and then I'm gonna use that as my template to cut out the rest of the windows. Even though I think these two closest in diameter, are closest in measurement, this one's different than that one, or maybe these three. I know, especially with the way they just changed the doors, not all these windows are perfectly evenly measured. So I gotta figure all that out with this big roll, but this roll should be enough to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I have this trim left on the side to do this piece here, and we'll see about the bottom. The biggest thing is the big windows first, and then I'll mess with whatever I have left after. Or if I get some more, or maybe I'll do some different UV DTF logos down there or something cool like that. I don't know. Maybe we'll put some LED lights in the bottom so that you guys can see. We're not sure yet, but definitely the big windows, because that's where, oh, see the sun peeking through? So the AC is on, but the AC can't keep up. So during the day from like noon it's like up here, but probably like 2 o'clock, it starts right there and it just beams heat into the store. So it's crazy. So all right, I'm gonna cut this out, measure this up on this first window, and then see what I got from there. All right, so I got the stuff here. I got my ladder set up. I already wiped off the window, cleaned it. So now it's time to put this stuff up and let's see how it looks. All right, this is gonna be a very quick little video as we are putting up the stuff on the outside. I think there's a difference. The camera doesn't really show it. In real life, this is a lot darker than this. So I gotta trim the rest. Let me show you guys on the outside. This will be a quick little video. This is what it looks like on the outside. And then we're gonna put graphics on it. Now this stuff can be printed on, and we may print on it later and then come back and lay that over this or not for a second layer of protection, just to kind of cover our entire windows. We're gonna see. But yeah, Chelly is really killing it. She's really good at stuff like this. And perforated vinyl. And we have it for sale. So if you guys want this to decorate your windows, we have it. And again, if we were to stick this from the inside, you would see black, and then it'll be white on the inside. And this stuff can also go on your walls. It can go on anything. So it's permanent. It's great for outside, inside. Great stuff. So we're just using it to block that sun that sets every day over there. So, yep, we'll show you guys the end result. Looks good. Looks good. Almost there. Almost there. It definitely looks better close up. I mean, looks better far away, but we're just here just to, you know, do what we can, make it work.
Here for a good time, not a long.
Yeah, we're actually only here for 2 years, so we got 2 years to grow and get to that big location over there.
Okay, so this is a perforated vinyl film right here. Our windows are about 92, right, babe? 92.
Yeah.
And we're cutting about 95, so we're leaving the width of it, which is, I don't know.
56, I think.
56. So I'm just gonna cut a piece, lined it up with the tile here, have this, and just do the best we can do. It doesn't need to be straight because this will be chopped off anyways. We will use the seal to keep it straight. So we're gonna give this a good cut. Just to give me a straight line. We'll just go down. So, like I tell my kids, use your resources. Anything that you have available, anything you have around you, always use what you got.
Yeah, we definitely made it work. Yesterday, I came up here by myself. We had to go get a ladder today, but we found that for 25 bucks. That's out
Facebook
there.
Market.
Facebook Market. Oh, so I don't know if you told them that yet.
Who?
The people that are watching.
Oh, no, I have not.
Yep, so we had to, because the step stool ladder, but I'm glad that we kept the step stool ladder because that's helped you because you're a lot smaller. And then I used the Big Daddy ladder.
So now we just have a little bit here. Oh, I didn't slice it through.
Pull it and slice it.
Huh?
Just pull it and slice it. Pull it up a little bit and then slice. Yeah, there you go. There you go.
Like that.
Oh, snap. So if you guys don't know, for all the flash film out there and stuff like that, Chelly is the measurer, the cutter. She's the one that can do it all.
I can do it all.
This does not happen without me. I mean, without Chelly. This
Okay,
is
you
not.
got it right in?
Well, you got it on video, and everybody who's
I
watching.
need it in writing. Send to me, text, and notarized. According to Carl,
You can't change an oil.
he does everything
Can't change
without
an
me.
oil. Where's the air filter?
Where?
All right, let's go outside. Stop giving me the finger. All right, Chelly's over there. She's cutting off the AC. That's it for the end of this video. We are going to shut off the lights, see how it looks. Oh, yeah, from the side, you can really see. Yeah, really, it's just a tad difference. But from the outside, it's super white. So let's go take some thumbnails. All right, so this is what it looks like from the outside. We're gonna take a thumbnail. See, it looks really white. All right, yep, so that's it. It looks good. Now we just gotta do that window right there, that one, and that one. And we don't know what we're gonna do for the bottom yet, but looks good at night. So at night, from far away, you can't see inside. at all, which is crazy. Because with the light on, you can see inside, but with no lights, it's not see-through. That's good, right, babe? Oh, she's on the phone down. That's cool. So soon, you won't be able to see inside, kind of like theirs, but the reverse. Instead of it being black, it's white, which is great because now we are visible. Once we put all the logos and everything on there, you will be able to see our store because that light stays on, all these lights stay on from very far away. So that's kind of cool. You'll be like, dang, what is that? And then once we get the sign up there, it'll look really good. So glad it's coming together. We got a mess we got to clean up, but still under construction. Get this thing locked and loaded and we're all set. Yesterday I ended the video, but I'm actually gonna end it today on this beautiful Sunday. We are all done. Finally, we are all done with the store. It is all whited out. You can't see inside, especially from far away. You can't see inside. Smile. So, yeah, this is it. We ended up putting a little, because it's black on the back, we ended up putting that there. Wow. Alrighty. Chelly with her booty backing into things. Yep, so this is where I'm gonna end the video. It actually worked out good. We don't know what we're gonna put here. We don't know, well, we know we're gonna definitely put a flash printing depot up there. We don't know what we're gonna do on the door, if we're gonna leave it see-through or maybe put, you know, kind of the black on the back. We don't know what we're gonna do for the bottom. Chelly's gonna come take a look at it. Now we can kind of see what we wanna do from here. Do we wanna put white on the bottom too? Leave it see-through? This took a few hours. Not that bad though, 3 hours? Yeah, give or take. We got pretty quick there at the end. No, not an hour, window, maybe 30 minutes. Because we just did that window and the skinny one. But it definitely does look good though. My vision is up close, you can see the imperfections, but we're gonna be putting a lot of the businesses up there that we're working with, and people will be able to see it. And it actually makes us different than everybody else in the unit. From there, very important, you can see us from far away. So, I'm excited. I like it. It's all coming together. We got a few things we got to do with the city, with the door and stuff, and the 220 volt. But I'm hot. The sun. Oh, this is what we wanted to test. So yeah, let's go inside. Let's see what it looks like from inside. And now the sun is starting to beam, and I predicted the white would reflect it. No imperfection there. Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's the difference. That's what it would be, and that's what it is.
Yes. So that's how bright it was. This is what it will be. And as that comes down, this will cast into here. But yeah, that's a little bit of a difference. Obviously it's not as dark as Tint, but I think once we put more graphics up there, it'll block it out as well. So it still lets some light in. What we've been doing is testing how cold can this thing get. We're trying to get it down to 73 because if it doesn't get cold enough, it won't be prime printing environment. All that's for the kids. Don't think that we're a mess. We're just leaving stuff for the kids. We actually have a lot left. So
Yeah, we do. I knew we would.
that's good. So whatever else we want to do, if we did want to do the bottom, there is a difference, but I wonder what the difference in heat is from that to that. You know, and that door too. So I don't know, I'm starving. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. Stay tuned for the next one.